When we see a video going live on YouTube and see the length of it is around 9 to 12 minutes, most of us would assume that it takes probably about an hour or so to shoot the video, right? There is nothing wrong with that assumption. Even I thought the same way before I came to work for C4A Tech. But in today's video, I'm gonna try to explain what goes into making a review video and hopefully present the reality of it so you guys have a better understanding. Hey guys, Ananthan from FTJ. Let's roll to get a peek behind the curtains. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh. Bruh. Yeah, 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 yeah. As you guys saw in the intro, we first have the phone delivered to us by the shipping company. We all kind of stand around looking a little bummed because we can't have that foosball tournament or that Mortal Kombat gaming session now that the phone is here and we all have to actually work for a change. Then we take a picture of it and post it on Slack, and Ash the boss would put it on the release schedule. Then comes the testing part. Ideally, a writer pops his SIM into the phone and sets it up as his or her primary device. We didn't have any hers here, we just wanted to sound cool. The testing goes for around 7 to 10 days depending on how many gimmicks and features are added by the brand. We would put it through its paces and check how the phone holds up. We check for the cameras, we check for the performance, we check for the call quality and the battery life. We check for everything we can think of and make notes about it so we don't forget or misrepresent anything. The reason we have a testing period of at least 7 days is because we get past the honeymoon period where it's a new phone and we implicitly like it and see only the good things. We ended at around 7 days because we don't get used to any idiosyncrasies that the device may have, thereby keeping it purely objective. Writing a script to make it sound as though Ash or any of the others voicing it over could get challenging. They each have their own personalities and own flow to saying things. So that has to be kept in mind while writing so that they don't get bent out of shape while voicing over. Like I'm doing right now. At the same time, here at C4A Tech, being unbiased is non negotiable, and we take great pride in the fact that we don't ever sell out to our principles, irrespective of what the brand wants or what's it at stake. So, writing a script takes anywhere around 3 to 5 hours, depending upon the complexity of the device and how much information you need to Google. And fun fact, we don't watch other people's videos on the phone before our videos go live. Cool, now the script is done, what's next? The script is now shared around via Google Docs. I don't know why that information is important, but we use Google Docs. The editor or any other senior employees, mostly Ash, go through it and make a list of the B-rolls needed to fill up the video. Once this is done, all this is explained to the cameraman and they have their own Google Sheets to determine how and where they need to shoot all the B-rolls. The on-cam guys then go voiceover. The voiceover generally takes anywhere between 20 minutes if you are Ash and 45 minutes if you're not Ash. So the footage is now transferred and the editor starts the primary voice cut. Our editing software of choice is either Premiere Pro from Adobe or recently DaVinci. Let's talk about the editing process in a bit. Camera work is the most painstakingly tedious job in the video making process. They need to be fast because oftentimes they make up for the extra time the scriptwriter or the voiceover artist takes. They also have to ensure all the shots are new, fresh and well lit. They need to worry about the framing, lighting, location and the length of the shots. So, not an easy job. Ash always insists we each do camera work at least once in a while to understand how it works and how hard they work. Fun fact, Ash doesn't get angry or yell at the camera guys that often cause at his core he identifies himself as a cameraman first. We get asked this a lot. What cameras do we use to shoot? Well, we use a few different cameras depending upon what shots we need. We rotate between the Sony FS7, FX9 and the A7S3 and sometimes the A6300. We also use a few point and shoots for gimbal shots that we can't get with the camera mounted on the tripod. 3 to 4 hours later, the B-rolls are done and transferred to the editors. We use anywhere between 25 to 40 B-roll a video, depending on how kind the writer is feeling that day. Now comes the editing. The editors would have to cut the voice and sync it with the video footage. They go through the script multiple times and start adding B-rolls. They slice and dice to make the B-rolls correlate to what's being said on screen. We at C4A Tech don't like static shots with very little action or movement. So all the screenshots you see need to be animated. There are multiple effects like zoomed in, zoomed out. Like you can go into a lot detail with this, but I don't want this video to be 20 minutes long. So that's for another day. Once the B-rolls are in place, they are color graded to match the A rolls, parts with the voiceover guy on camera. Then at least two people and Ash watch the final cut to see if there are any mistakes. Another fun fact, there always will be mistakes and changes that make the video better. Now the changes are done and Ash or any other senior employee would take a look at it again and okay it. We then type up a description and upload the video to YouTube. The thumbnail guy works on multiple versions of the thumbnail needed. Once he has 5 to 6 different concepts, we all vote on it. The one with the most number of votes is irrelevant. Ash will choose the thumbnail and we go live with it. The video uploaded to YouTube is again watched back to see if YouTube rendering and processing screwed something up. Yes, that's the thing and it does happen occasionally. Then the video goes live and whoever is around and not curled up into a fetal position reply to comments. I am a person who likes comments, by the way. So it would be awesome if you all can go and drop us a line in the comment section below. We promise to go through it and we would greatly appreciate a sub and like cause we just spent 7 to 8 minutes telling you how hard we work. So subscribe please. So that's it for this video. Until next time, this is Ananthan. You are watching FTJ and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.